In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage calendar sync in Teamsnap. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer and sign in to your Teamsnap roster management portal. Make sure you are using the correct account for the team or organization you want to work with, so you are viewing the right schedule and roster information before making any changes. Once you are logged in, give the page a moment to fully load so all navigation tabs and options appear properly. From there, look for the main navigation area and go to the schedule or calendar overview section. Depending on the layout of your account, this may appear as a tab, a menu item, or a labeled section along the top or side of the portal. The goal here is to open the area where your team's events, practices, games, and other scheduled activities are displayed. If your browser window feels crowded, it can help to maximize the screen so the full menu is easier to see. After you've reached the schedule or calendar overview, find the option that says Manage Calendar Sync. In some versions of the portal, you may instead see an export option. Either one is the path you need. Click that text option to continue. This is typically where Teamsnap provides calendar connection or export settings that allow you to sync the team schedule with another calendar platform or share the schedule in a usable format. As you open this section, pay close attention to the wording on the page, since labels can vary slightly depending on account type or recent platform updates. If you do not immediately see the exact text, scan nearby controls in the schedule area for similar wording related to syncing, exporting, or calendar settings. Staying in the schedule or calendar section is important because that is where these tools are usually located. If needed, take your time and avoid clicking unrelated settings, especially if you manage multiple teams or calendars. Confirm that you are in the correct team space before proceeding with any sync or export action. That small check can save you time and help prevent confusion later. Once you've selected Manage Calendar Sync or Export, you'll be in the right place to continue working with your Teamsnap calendar options, and that's it for this step. You've successfully navigated to the calendar sync area from within the Teamsnap roster management portal using Chrome.